Hello everyone, my name is Nagme and today I like to talk about stock price and machine learning algorithms. So these days we see a lot of video and a lot of models about deep learning, machine learning and other artificial intelligence models that they claim that they can predict the stock price. But the point is that you never can predict the stock price for the next week or next month, and I will tell you why. See this model. This is one of the model with deep learning which is trying to predict the stock price. So as you can see, I got the data for Nova Scotia Bank, and the start date is 2014 and the end date is 2020. So we built a model and I'll show you the result. So this is the result of this model using deep learning to predict the stock price of this bank. But as you can see, so the blue line is just the data, and the orange line is the train data, the model which we run on the train data, and the green part is for test data. So it seems to be very great, especially for test data. And you can see that in the YouTube channel when they build a model like that and the result is such good for test data, they're so proud of themselves and they say that this model is great for prediction of stock price and everything. But the whole point is that it's not a prediction actually, because we already have data for test part. Let me show you. So here in this part of code, we are actually splitting the data to test data and train data. So we pick 70% of data for train and the rest for test. But in the test data, we have close price of every day, and this model is based on the close price. But the whole point is that when we build a model on train data, and when we want to test the data, test our model with test data. What we are doing actually is that we are giving information of close price of test data to the model. So this is not a prediction, because if I want to predict the stock price of next week or next month, I don't have the close price of those days. So I can't. So if I want to use this model for next week with predicted data, this model is not gonna be good at all, because I actually tried that, but the result is not good at all. So the whole point is that this kind of model cannot predict like a stock price for a future, and they are just using the close price for the previous days for test data, which it doesn't make any sense. And I just see a lot of course, a lot of YouTube video, and a lot of things, a lot of website, they just build this kind of model and they are so proud of their result and everything. So but it doesn't make sense for me at all. I just wanted to share with you guys, if you have such like, if you see something like that and if you agree with me, please write your idea in the comment and we can discuss more about